Hello. With the assistance and guidance from a variety of experts, and after a great deal of investigation, discussion, and community engagement, the first planning stage for the Doan Brook restoration project at Horseshoe Lake Park is now underway. The Northeast Ohio Regional Sewer District has assembled a multidisciplinary and highly regarded team of professionals for the current pre-design phase, which will last until next summer. This team of landscape architects, environmentalists, historic preservationists, engineers, and others want to hear from you as they begin to explore ideas for the restoration of the Doan Brook and surrounding area on the site of the former Horseshoe Lake. Here are the details for the first two events I hope that you will consider attending. The Sewer District has scheduled a virtual meeting for Thursday, August 25th from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. You can attend this meeting remotely to learn more about the goals of the project, the opportunities for the future of the site, and the current project planning process. Next, on Saturday, August 27th, from 10:30 a.m. till 1 p.m., the district will host an in-person and on-site open house event at Horseshoe Lake Park. You can drop in at any time between 10:30 and 1 and chat with the design team members on a variety of topics, as they will be stationed at a number of tents located throughout the park. Among other things, you'll be able to talk with the landscape architects, envision the future of the park, and contribute your ideas. In addition, you can learn about the ecology of the area, the stream morphology, the dam removal process, and the history and geology of the site. Please visit the district's website at neorsd.org/Doan-Brook to read more about these two events and sign up to receive project updates and notices of future public engagement opportunities. I realize that residents have strong feelings and emotional attachment to the lake as it was. It brought us a great deal of joy over many years. But the recent news of unprecedented rainfall and flooding in Missouri and eastern Kentucky and elsewhere is an important reminder that the entire Doan Brook restoration project is driven first and foremost by safety concerns as a result of a failing 170-year-old earthen dam. But I hope you will look to the future with me as we address these safety concerns while also protecting and preserving the Doan Brook, the natural environment, and the rich history of this site. Your participation will help shape the future of this cherished parkland for decades to come. Finally, I'm pleased to announce that RMS, the developer of the award-winning Aken District, is slated to begin construction very soon on Phase 2 of the district. This phase will include more than 225 rental units in an architecturally distinctive building on the current vacant lot located on Farnsley Road across from the existing district. The site has been a parking lot since 1965, but this new structure is destined to be a landmark and shaker, bringing additional residential density, vibrancy, and tax revenue to the city. Expect to see trucks and equipment on the site soon. In closing, thank you for your interest in our beautiful city, and enjoy these final weeks of summer.